Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best soft mattresses on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Oli Sleep 10-inch Memory Foam Mattress. Introducing the Oli Sleep 10-inch Aquarius Memory Foam Mattress Full Gray, the perfect solution for those looking for a soft and comfortable sleeping experience. With its advanced gel infusion and ventilation memory foam technology, this mattress will keep you cool and comfortable all night long, allowing for deep and restful sleep. The eco-friendly gel materials used in this mattress are breathable and non-temperature sensitive, ensuring that you are always sleeping at the perfect temperature. What we like about it: comfortable feel without the sinking sensation. Excellent quality despite its affordable price range. Fills out quickly. What we don't like about it: the chemical smell takes some time to dissipate. Number 2. IE Nature Cooling Gel Memory Foam Mattress. Welcome to deep sleep with the IE Nature Queen Size Mattress. If you're looking for the perfect softness and support, this 10-inch cooling gel memory foam mattress is your answer. Designed to provide superior comfort and pressure relief, this medium-firm mattress will leave you feeling refreshed and energized every morning. Crafted with a breathable soft fabric cover, this mattress offers a cool and refreshing sleeping experience. The cooling gel memory foam technology also helps regulate temperature, ensuring you stay comfortable throughout the night. What we like about it: provides pressure relief. Good fit for people with spine problems. Prevents sweating during the night. What we don't like about it: make us sinking. Number 3. Prima Sleep Memory Foam Mattress. This memory foam mattress provides the perfect balance of comfort and support. The material conforms to your body, providing customized support to relieve pressure and minimize motion disturbance. Plus, the dense foam core ensures that your body weight will be evenly distributed so you can sleep soundly all night. With this mattress, you'll experience the ultimate in comfort and relaxation. The soft, plush surface is perfect for anyone who loves to sink into their mattress, while the durable construction ensures you'll enjoy a great night's sleep for years. What we like about it: good quality for the price. Good support for people with back pain. What we don't like about it: odor that takes a while to dissipate. Number 4. Amazon Basics Memory Foam Mattress. Are you tired of tossing and turning all night on a too firm mattress? Look no further than the Amazon Basics Memory Foam Mattress. With its soft, plush feel and 8-inch thickness, this mattress is perfect for those who crave a cloud-like sleeping experience. The white and gray design adds a stylish touch to any bedroom. And with its affordable price and easy shipping through Amazon, getting a good night's sleep has never been easier. Don't settle for a subpar sleeping surface any longer. Upgrade to this mattress for a deep and restful slumber. What we like about it: easy to unpack and quickly inflates. Has a comfortable and medium firm feel. What we don't like about it: unpleasant chemical smell that goes away. Number 5. Nod Hybrid King Mattress. Introducing the Nod Hybrid by Tuft and Needle King mattress is the perfect solution for those craving a soft and comfortable sleeping experience. Say goodbye to restless nights and hello to deep sleep with this unique construction, layering 2 inches of adaptive foam on top, 1 inch of slow recovery foam, 6 inches of pocket coils, and 1 inch of base foam. This innovative combination allows for a responsive, yet not too soft, sleeping surface that is supportive and comfortable. The ventilated fabric keeps you cool overnight, allowing for uninterrupted sleep. What we like about it: doesn't get hot, no night sweats. Wake up feeling refreshed, no aches and pains. Can use it within a couple of hours. What we don't like about it: the mattress is made of rubbery material. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.